Folks, today go as far as you can see with you like usually, and thank you for your subscription and keep me up to date. Today I will go share with you a little trick on what to do if you have your GLK 350 or other vehicles dashboard issue. Not issue with the dashboard, but the little hole behind the dashboard right there, where all your items ends up to get into it. Let's say, for instance, it's going to be a pan, or it's going to be something else. Okay. In our case, we have a USB thumb drive yesterday, and we go on a party, and we just like got that thing in there, and we cannot get out. So today, as we're going to show you a little trick how what you can do. So for this, you are going to need your wire hanger. So simple. And then little difficult item, it is hard drive magnet. It's pretty close to magnet. It's called earth magnet. It's probably N50, or it's even lighter or stronger. It can be anything. You must be tight as well, because if you touch the piece of metal, you're gonna lose that. Okay, so we're going to use this deal to try to relocate our USB drive. And just get in there, and we'll start fishing. I'm probably going to fish something else in there. I'm not sure what other people, what previous owner lost. Let's see. There we go. Looks like I catching something in there. There. Oh, I got it. I got a fish. I fished the USB thumb drive. Anyway, those was trick for the people that have like a metal items in there, not a plastic. As far as the plastic goes, you need to take this dashboard out or have long thin snips. Thanks for watching my video. This was again go as far as you can see with you, and we just fished my thumb drive with my music. We go watching today with just one CD. Now we're gonna use a thumb drive on my new on my new deal. So this is USB when it get right. This is the blue when it get via Bluetooth. Let's get that connected and see the result. I was unable to do it yesterday. Let's see, got it right there, just like that. Hold on. Okay, I got it in. Now have the changes to USB thumb drive, so there's something else on it. There's like actually my CD number 2, and we'll change to we'll have to change to the aux first. Let's go to aux and change to the aux. And now when it's aux, it's Bluetooth, but we're going to change it to USB. So get red music. It says something about music. So activating, nice. Well, it's worked perfect. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Good luck, and hope it's gonna like you.